As a new seller, I ranked my Fiverr gig on first page with no reviews in 2026, and I became level 1 seller in just 2 months. And in this today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can do it. So listen, I will not make this video long because too much information in one video will make your brain confused. So in this video, I'll be talking about choosing best keyword for the title to rank on first page in just 1 week. So let's take an example. Assume you are a Shopify website designer and you design a Shopify websites as I do, and you want to sell your skill on Fiverr. What most beginners will do, they will go on Fiverr directly and create a gig with keyword I will design Shopify website. And this is a huge mistake lot of beginners are doing. Instead, you should first analyze low competition keyword before creating your gig. So let me tell you how to check the competition on the particular keyword you have selected. So go to buying section on Fiverr, and in the buying section you will see this search box. In the search box you should type the keyword which you have selected. Like I will take example of this keyword, design Shopify website, and click on search. Here you can see on this particular keyword there are 66,000 plus sellers who have created gig, and they are sellers like us who have created gig on this particular keyword. And to be frank, if you want to create gig on this particular keyword, it is nearly impossible to rank on this keyword because most of the sellers who are ranking has like lot of reviews in their gig. So if you are beginner and you want to go with this keyword like with no reviews, and as a new seller you will not rank anywhere in this page. Instead, what you should do, try to find low competition keyword which has low competition, and it will be easy to rank your gig on first page within just 1 year. Let me tell you how to find low competition keyword. If you're a Shopify website designer, you will know that the theme is needed to design a Shopify website or a store. And there is one theme that lot of Shopify owners are using, which is Dawn theme. So what I will do, I will create a gig related to this theme. But first we need to check the competition on this particular keyword. I will use this keyword to check competition. Setup Shopify Dawn theme, and click on search. So as you can see on this particular keyword, there is only 476 sellers are there. Like 476 sellers are using this keyword on their gig. And to be frank, this is like low competition keyword. It is like very easy to rank your gig on first page, but only if you know how to do SEO, how to write clickable title and clickable thumbnail, then only you can rank your gig on first page. Okay, what you have to do after the end of this video, select 3 keywords which has low competition and select 1 keyword which has high competition and create gig on them. And that's what I do, and it helped me to rank my Fiverr gig on first page within just 1 week. And yes, thank you if you are watching this video till the end, and if you have any question you can comment below.